Limited excessive rainfall risk. Limited non-thunderstorm wind risk. Discussion. A few strong to severe storms will be possible this evening, mainly west of Highway 65 in southwest Missouri and southeast Kansas. Hail to the size of quarters and wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour will be possible with the strongest storms. Locally heavy rainfall this evening and tonight may lead to localized minor flooding. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday. More widespread shower and thunderstorm chances. 80 to 95% return for Friday. A few strong to severe thunderstorms are possible south of Interstate 44 on Friday. These storms may produce 1-inch hail and damaging wind. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Barton County, southern Dade County, northeastern Jasper County, northwestern Lawrence County, until 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday. At 9:17 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Carthage, Greenfield, Lockwood, Jasper, Golden City, Carytown, South Greenfield, Dudenville, Minard, Maple Grove, Red Oak, Kenoma, Boston, Pennsboro, and Stockton Lake. This includes the following low water crossings: Muddy Creek at Highway 126, Dry Fork at Pine Road, Suns Creek at County Road 113, Sinking Creek at County Road 181, and Lousy Branch at County Road 85. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Many flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday for the following counties in Missouri: Barton, the current time is